Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best sublimation on clear shot glasses. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best sublimation on clear shot glasses for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Sublimation clear shot glasses are a popular choice for personalized gifts, promotional items, or unique additions to your home bar. When considering a purchase, here are key factors to keep in mind. Opt for shot glasses made from high-quality glass. Ensure they can withstand the sublimation process, which requires specific heat settings. Look for glasses that are durable and have a smooth surface for optimal print quality. Choose shot glasses that can accommodate various designs. Whether you're looking for custom graphics, logos, or text, a larger printable area can enhance creativity. Some glasses feature a frosted or texture surface that may affect design clarity, so consider your design needs carefully. Assess the quantity you need. Many suppliers offer bulk pricing, which can be more economical if you're purchasing for events or businesses. Compare prices from different vendors to find the best deal without compromising quality. Buy from reputable suppliers known for their sublimation products. Check customer reviews and ratings to ensure you're getting a reliable product. Some suppliers also offer sample options, allowing you to test the quality before committing to a larger order. Consider how the shot glasses will be used. If they are for events, ensure they are dishwasher safe and can hold up to regular use without fading. By keeping these factors in mind, you can select the perfect sublimation clear shot glasses that meet your needs and enhance your creative projects. Thanks for watching the video.